As it be like this now, ladies and gentlemen, just for some freestyling things now on top of the late night show with Femi G in the building. We all do one small freestyle things and in the spirit already and the mood for every. All right, so Femi G.
Is it freestyle you want?
Freestyle, just freestyle. We say with the freestyle, though. So just in case, if we do collabo with you. Hey. Chai. All right. Oh, no. Let go. Hey, yo.
What a beautiful program.
Oh, yeah.
What a beautiful night. We're having fun on the Baller Show. What a beautiful night.
Yeah.
We having fun.
We having fun, yeah.
On the Baller Show.
Yeah.
Beautiful night.
Beautiful night.
Having fun.
We having fun.
On the Baller Show. Handsome Ogbonna. Handsome boy. Handsome Ogbonna. Handsome man. We having fun.
We having fun.
On the Ogbonna Show.
Easy. Hey.
Having fun.
Oh, Lord. Show.
We having fun.
We having fun.
On the Ogbonna Show.
Thank you. We love you. Correct one, Femi G. Correct one. So right now, we have to watch your performance before you come out. But you go let us know your social media handles. How people feel reach you, they'll take me to on top social media. They won't follow you gist or follow you up, Twitter, Instagram, anywhere. Or you see they operate old school things.
No.
Because some people think they'll say no. You can just shoot me my phone number.
On Twitter, I'm gonna Bola on Anokito. It's long.
Okay.
Well, we're trying to make it better.
Okay.
We're trying to make that better on Twitter.
Okay.
And on Yahoo.com.
Okay.
I'm for Lakiton.
Okay.
Go Lakiton.
Okay.
On Yahoo.com.
All right. So all of you not hear every. No, you don't meet her and then see you go feel every. Okay. So for now, I'm gonna go know.
I said you wanna start your dancing. I said you wanna start your dancing. Waiting be the problem. They see me dirty. Waiting be the problem. Tell me, they see me dirty. Wow, Jacko Johnny no delay. No bar sita on the street. You the dance, all the club. You the dance. Anywhere I see you, anywhere I feel you. Any day I see you, any place I feel you.
To Ava.
Let's go. Pick it up now. Let's go. Let's go. Wagba sugar, wagba honey, wagba sugar, wagba honey, wagba sugar, wagba honey, wagba sugar, wagba honey. You give them water, they pour you gutter. You send them sugar, they throw you banger. You show them honey. sugar, what about honey, what about honey, what about sugar, what about honey, what about honey. Baby, oh, mama, oh, baby, oh, mama, they don't see waiting to see, they don't feel waiting to feel. Baby, oh, mama, oh, baby, oh, mama, oh, they don't know waiting to know. In my baby, you too sexy. They say you are ugly, I say you are beautiful. They tell me you are foolish, I say you are wonderful. They don't like you, yeah. Me, I like you, well. They don't want you, yeah. Me, I want you, well. Sugar, what honey, what sugar, what honey, what sugar, what honey, what sugar, what honey, what honey. Sugar, push sugar,
Oh my God, already.
What sugar, what honey, what sugar, what honey,
Hey!
what sugar, what honey, what sugar, what
Yeah! Hey! Femi G! Hey! That goes more. Femi G, wonderful one. Energy.
Whoa.
Woo!
Game.
Easy. You don't feel the energy. You don't feel the power. You don't feel the swag. My brother, see, he had the learn. For running ways.
Now we did
For the he had the learn. Femi G. Oh no, wonderful one. Yeah, it's just man, for 20 years. You still fit like this. Man, forget. Easy, we will get work to do.
We get work to do.
We have many work to do. As young men, we will be. Forget. Femi G, thank you very much for joining us on top of the show today. Really appreciate you. And we wish you the best of the best. Ladies and gentlemen, when I see that performance just now, make sure say you follow Femi G for all the portals we don't mention. So, and of course, Wagba Sugar, Femi G. What? Easy. Play. My brother, see, many artists today get work. If you see most of our artists, they will don't start this thing from way back.
Yes.
They know something about performance.
Yeah.
We then they play with. So for this show, don't cause some small bodies they can't sing. But like,
go the demo part on this slide.
And where everything they form.
The drag leg.
They like, but see Femi G.
He go shock you.
See Femi G. Now small thing remain for come on shirt, come on boxer, singlet. If you're day, the way they burn now. They're like, what? Oh no! I appreciate the guy. I appreciate that. Understand? But the beginning of that song when be play with the guitar. Not be saying no sabi play the guitar.
Yeah.
They try tune now. You understand? Maybe so it's just one kind for the beginning, but inside be do the thing well. All right. But I can't laugh some in different places for the performance. When they do that,
because you did try to even enter the matter, but at the end of the day, you can't finally play. What you can't get Ogbolo, having fun. Are you?
We don't come to the end of the whole show, and I hope you enjoy everything on top of the show. And somehow, Femi G, thank you very much for joining us on top of the show this night. Ladies and gentlemen, if you not get any small thing to do on top of Twitter, just go our Twitter handle at W Late Night Show. Reach for there, give us your own gist. Let us know how every day go. All right, Femi G, thank you very much. We really appreciate you and your performance and everything we do on top of the show this night. All right, and our viewers, thank you very much all of you now join us for the show tonight. God bless everybody. And from myself, Easy Beats, and the full crew for the Late Night Show, we say good night to everybody. So want to sleep well and God bless you.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
So, did you like what you just saw? I know you did. It's very simple. If you want to see more, just subscribe to our channel right now.